Welcome back to Billionaires Know-How, the channel dedicated to dissecting the strategies and mindsets of the world's wealthiest individuals. Today we're focusing on Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of Ikea, the global furniture retailer. We'll explore how he built this iconic brand from humble beginnings, the key strategies he employed, and, most importantly, extract actionable lessons that you, the average person, can apply to your own life and career, especially if you are interested in entrepreneurship, retail, or cost-effective solutions. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on our next billionaire deconstruction. From Matchsticks to furniture giant, Kamprad's early years and the value of frugality. Ingvar Kamprad's entrepreneurial spirit was evident from a young age. As a child growing up in rural Sweden, he began selling matchsticks to neighbors. He later expanded his product line to include seeds, Christmas decorations, and pencils. In 1943, at the age of 17, Kamprad founded Ikea. The company initially sold a variety of goods, but it eventually focused on furniture. Kamprad's vision was to provide affordable, functional, and well-designed furniture to the masses. Key investments and strategic decisions. Kamprad's success is rooted in his innovative business model and relentless focus on cost control. Flat pack furniture, Ikea revolutionized the furniture industry with its flat pack design. This allowed customers to assemble furniture themselves, reducing transportation and assembly costs. Self-service warehouses. Ikea pioneered the self-service warehouse concept, allowing customers to browse and select furniture directly from the warehouse floor. This reduced the need for sales staff and lowered operating costs. Global sourcing. Ikea has a global sourcing strategy, sourcing materials and manufacturing products from low-cost countries. This has allowed the company to offer competitive prices. Focus on design. Ikea has emphasized the importance of design, collaborating with talented designers to create functional and aesthetically pleasing furniture. Democratic design. Ikea's democratic design philosophy aims to make good design accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget. Frugality and cost consciousness. Kamprad was known for his frugality and cost consciousness. He instilled this culture throughout Ikea, encouraging employees to find ways to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Long-term vision. Kamprad had a long-term vision for Ikea, focusing on building a sustainable business that would benefit both customers and employees. Replicating the blueprint. Lessons for the average person, especially entrepreneurs and retail professionals. Even if you're not building a global furniture empire, Kamprad's principles are highly relevant. Identify a need, look for unmet needs and underserved markets. What problems can you solve? Innovate and disrupt, challenge existing business models and find new ways to deliver value to customers. Focus on efficiency, streamline your operations and eliminate waste, reduce costs and improve productivity. Value design. Pay attention to design and aesthetics. Create products and services that are both functional and visually appealing. Empower customers. Give customers more control over their experience. Allow them to customize products, assemble furniture, or choose their own delivery options. Source globally. Consider sourcing materials and products from low-cost countries to reduce expenses. Foster a culture of frugality. Encourage employees to be cost-conscious and find ways to save money. Have a long-term vision. Develop a long-term plan for your business and focus on building sustainable value. Be humble, stay grounded, and remember your roots. Don't let success go to your head. Give back to your community. Find ways to make a positive impact on your community. Ingvar Kamprad's journey demonstrates that with a clear vision, a relentless focus on cost control, and a commitment to innovation, it's possible to build a global business empire from humble beginnings. By identifying a need, innovating and disrupting, focusing on efficiency, valuing design, empowering customers, and fostering a culture of frugality, you can significantly increase your chances of success in your own entrepreneurial endeavors. That's all for today's episode of Billionaires Know-How. If you found these insights helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future episodes where we dissect the success stories of other influential figures and show you how you can implement them to become the best version of yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and until next time, stay inspired.